welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be getting my wisdom teeth out. I am currently vlogging this type thing on my phone, and I've told my mom to record me on my phone because, you know, content. But yeah, so right now I am just about to leave. But yeah, so I'm probably gonna do a little mini vlog, and then I'll probably do an outro later when my face is all swollen and ugly. So that's fun.
Two hours later.
What's up, Sweetie? What? You're awake enough to know?
Alright, so we are going to go over a few things with you.
How you feeling? How you feeling?
I can't swallow.
Okay, keep on biting down on that gauze, okay? Feeling kind of icky?
My lips are suffering. I'm sitting on the seat and her home.
Bite down.
I'm going to one of mine. You're going to go like this.
What's going like that? The door. The door handle's going up and down? No.
And then we'll meet you out there. Okay?
Are you gonna drop that if I let you have your precious?
Probably. Give her a little time to get out there, then we're going to walk out there, okay? Alright.
Don't make sure that you're keeping the pressure on the gauze, because that's what's pinching off the bleeding. Yeah, don't touch your face so you don't get cuts on your face. Remember the doctor said you're not going to be able to feel your face for a while?
Why am I with them too?
Well, all of that whole bottom part here is all numb.
What was it of me?
What?
What was it of me?
What did he give you? Well, nothing right now. He gave you the stuff in your gums. It's called Novocaine. They shoot it into your gums with a syringe, and that's why your jaw and your face and your lips are all numb, because he had to do it on top and on the bottom on both sides. And that's going to wear off. So in the meantime, we're going to go to the pharmacy and we're going to get some other stuff, like Advil, only like heavy duty Advil.
How come I'm so tired?
Why are you so tired? Well, because he gave you an IV with something to make you sleep, so that you wouldn't notice that he was taking your teeth out.
Well, yeah, I know that, but why isn't it gone now?
Well, it's going to be a little while. I mean, they got to make sure that you sleep tight because they don't want you waking up while they're in there working. It's going to take a while before it wears off. I think she said a couple hours before you start feeling more normal.
I have water.
Yeah, when we get home, we'll take out the gauze and make sure that you're not bleeding, and then you can have some water.
Okay, water.
What?
I'm so thirsty.
Okay, I know. When we get home, though, I gotta stop at Walgreens first to get the medicine because she said we should take it right away so that it can take effect before the other stuff wears off.
Okay.
Okay, so it's been like 2 weeks since I got my wisdom teeth out. Obviously, my face is no longer swollen and ugly and disgusting looking, and I have not watched any of the footage at this point when I am filming this, and I also have not edited any of the footage either. So I'm gonna be doing that tonight. So I'm kind of scared. All I can remember is like sleeping a lot and seeing a door handle move like up and down, like not just like turning the door handle, like it's like going up and down. Like I recall that vividly. So yeah, I don't know, this video is probably gonna be like not funny, who knows, I haven't seen it yet. But if you watched it all the way through, thank you. Be sure to like and subscribe if you liked this video. Next Monday I'm going to be going back to my normal makeup looks, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed me embarrassing myself. Thank you for watching this video, and hopefully I'll see you on my next one. Bye.